Hi, I'm now going to show you a pretty cool feature on the Xoro 3500, and that's the PVR ready features that come with it. So the box is PVR ready to the extent that if you look at the remote control, there's rewind, record, all this type of functionality built into it, but there's no actual hard drive in the box itself. Now, you overcome this by adding on an external hard drive, either a hard drive like this or a USB key like I have here. On TV Trade we sell like either two all the way up to about 16 gigabyte USB keys, okay? So once you've this put in, some great things happen, okay? You can be in a situation where you're looking at a snooker game or something like this, and maybe you're after missing a vital shot, but you're not recording as you go along. You can actually just immediately then, I'm just going to show you on the remote control here, the keys I'm going to be showing. These are the forward, back in steps, and these are the rewind in certain speeds, and you have the pause, the play, and a record, and also the exit button as well. Okay, I'm going to be using all of these. So we'll just wait here anyway, and the guy is about to take a shot here, and okay, he missed that, right? So we want to see what happened, why did he miss it? We just press rewind here, and now we can simply hit play. Went back a little bit too far there, but on live television you can see what's actually happening there. I can actually rewind back this and then just look what I've. So it's not actually necessary to be recording or have it in record mode. It's all the time saving this in a continuous stream onto the USB key. Okay, and that's really, really a great feature. As well as that, being able to just hit pause, we can actually just hit pause like that and just hold it when we answer the door or make a cup of tea, something like that. And when we come back in, just press play again to play it on. And if we want to get out there, we can just hit stop. Bring us onto the current time, and then just exit to take us out of that mode totally. So it's a really, really great feature of it, okay? If we come along then and we want to actually record a program, what we can do is, we're looking at let's say BBC One here, and we decide we'd like to record it. So I come along and I press the red record button, okay? And I don't want to do it in TS, which is time shift mode, I just want to do it in straightforward PS. So I come along here and press OK. And we can see here we're now currently recording this program, okay? But a particularly good feature this is BBC One and BBC Two are on the same transponder, okay? So I can actually, while I'm recording BBC One, flick over to BBC Two and this will work. Now if I try to go off the BBC transponders, it won't work, simply because you know, this technology, the fact that they're coming in on exactly the same frequency, this is what allows one thing to be recorded and another thing not that. So if I come out here now and I go back to BBC One here, which I'm recording, I can simply come along here and press the stop button, and it'll ask, do you want to stop recording? And I'll say yes. And now when I go to flick channels, the full range of channels are suddenly available to me again, and covering all the possible transponders. So that's quite a cool feature, that you could record one thing and look at another. And for a very basic standard definition box to be able to do that, it's really super. So the next thing, of course, is having recorded something to actually be able to play it back. So at the top of the remote control we have the media button here. So I'll just actually press the media button now, and we can see here we're given the date, the time period, and also the channel on which something was recorded here. And in the top here we have a picture, okay? So if we go here for this particular one, we can see that's obviously a frame at the start of it. So we'll come along and we'll just press OK. And it brings us out here and we can forward, rewind, all the rest. I had the volume turned down on this, but it records quite well there, all the rest of it. Now there is, you can use the EPG function and things like this, but one thing to realise with the EPG is on free-to-air satellites, it's normally just this and the next channel, so you know it's not overly practical in order to be recording using that. But so that's anyway an overview of the pause, rewind, and the playback facilities that come on the Xoro 3500.